Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we've picked out the best metal raised garden beds for you, based on what real gardeners actually need and want when choosing the right bed. Whether you're a beginner just starting out, or someone looking to upgrade your garden, we know that picking the right bed can make a huge difference in how your plants grow. Now, you might be thinking, there are so many different types of raised garden beds out there, right? You've got wooden, plastic, fabric, and metal options. Each one has its own pros and cons depending on what you're looking for. For example, wooden beds give a more natural look but might need more maintenance. Fabric beds are lightweight and portable, but not as durable over time. And then there's metal. These are super sturdy, low maintenance, and built to last, which is exactly what we're focusing on today. Stick around as we go over the top 5 metal raised garden beds that work best for different situations. Let's dive in. At number 5, the FOOWIN raised garden bed with arch trellis is highly recommended for anyone who wants to make the most of limited space while growing vertically. If you live in an apartment or have a small yard, this garden bed is the perfect choice. The 6 through 2 foot dimensions provide ample space for a variety of plants. But what really sets this bed apart is the built-in arch trellis. This trellis makes it ideal for growing climbing plants such as tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, peas, and even flowering vines. If you've been looking for a way to grow more in less space, this vertical gardening solution is a game changer. The 269-gallon capacity allows for deep-rooted plants like carrots and broccoli, as well as leafy greens like lettuce. If you're a beginner or don't have a lot of time to spend on assembly, you'll appreciate the tool-free, easy setup that can be completed in under 20 minutes. Made with durable, rust-resistant galvanized steel, this bed will last season after season, and the arch trellis adds a decorative element to your garden space. This bed is perfect for those who want to add both functionality and style to their garden without taking up much room. At number 4, the Plant and Plot galvanized raised garden bed is the best choice for those who need a simple, budget-friendly, and space-efficient solution for their gardening needs. If you live in an apartment, have a small patio, or just want to add a bit of greenery to your backyard, this 4x2 foot bed is an excellent option. The compact size is perfect for growing herbs, flowers, and even small vegetables like lettuce, spinach, or radishes. It's also a great option if you're looking to create a few smaller garden beds scattered throughout your outdoor space. What makes this bed stand out is the tool-free assembly. It only takes about 20 minutes to put together, so even beginners can start gardening right away without worrying about complicated instructions. The galvanized metal construction ensures durability, preventing rust and corrosion over time. If you're someone who wants to get started with gardening but doesn't have a lot of space or want to spend too much money, the Plant and Plot galvanized raised garden bed is a great option. It's simple, quick to assemble, and long-lasting making. It's perfect for anyone who just wants to start growing their own plants with minimal effort. At number 3, the best choice products, 6x3 2-Seft outdoor metal raised garden bed is an excellent choice for gardeners who need a little more space and depth to accommodate a variety of plants. This 6x3 foot garden bed stands 24 inches tall, making it ideal for growing medium to deep-rooted plants like broccoli, beans, tomatoes, and root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. With a 269-gallon soil capacity, this bed offers plenty of room for your plants to grow and spread out. The open bottom design is perfect for preventing water accumulation, which is especially beneficial in areas with heavy rainfall or for gardeners who are concerned about root rot. It also promotes better drainage, allowing plants to thrive in healthy, well-drained soil. This raised garden bed is built with durable powder-coated steel, ensuring it withstands harsh weather conditions and won't rust over time. If you're someone who wants to grow larger or more diverse crops, or if you live in an area with heavy rains, this bed will provide the necessary depth and drainage for your plants. Its simple, sturdy construction makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners who want a reliable and spacious garden bed. At number 2, the Landgard Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit is perfect for gardeners who want an easy-to-assemble, durable, and spacious garden bed with a modern aesthetic. If you're looking for a raised bed that blends in with your garden's design while providing ample space for a variety of plants, this is a great option. The 6 3-foot size gives you plenty of room to grow vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, or even larger plants like zucchinis and pumpkins. The double-layer galvanized steel is resistant to rust and corrosion, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear over the years. It's built to last and can handle the elements, making it an ideal choice for those who want a sturdy and long-lasting investment. The Landgard raised garden bed is also designed with an open base, which helps to prevent waterlogging and supports healthier plant roots. If you're someone who wants a garden bed that's easy to assemble, about 5 minutes, and gives you a lot of space to grow a variety of crops, this kit is an excellent choice. It's great for anyone who needs something practical, durable, and easy to maintain, whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener. At number 1, the Vego Garden. Raised Garden Bed Kit is a top-tier option for serious gardeners looking for versatility, durability, and long-term performance. This raised bed stands 17 inches tall and features a modular design, meaning you can configure it into 9 different shapes to fit your garden layout. Whether you have a small, medium, or large garden, you can tailor the setup to meet your exact needs. The Vego Garden Bed is made from VZ 2.0, a groundbreaking material combining zinc, magnesium, and aluminum with eco-friendly paint, giving it exceptional durability and a lifespan of over 20 years. This is ideal for those who want to invest in a high-quality garden bed that will last for many seasons to come. The 17-inch height provides ample room for root systems to develop, making it perfect for vegetables, flowers, and herbs that need space to grow. The easy-to-install system requires no special tools or construction skills. Simply assemble the panels and secure them with the included fasteners. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and eco-friendly raised bed that offers plenty of growing room for various plants, the Vego Garden Raised Garden Bed Kit is the ultimate choice. This bed is perfect for experienced gardeners or anyone looking to create a long-lasting, customized garden setup that can be adapted to fit their space and gardening goals. And that's a wrap. We've covered some of the best metal raised garden beds that are perfect for different needs and spaces, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener. Remember, the right raised bed depends on what you're growing, how much space you have, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. Metal beds, with their durability and low-maintenance design, are a great choice for long-term gardening success. So, whether you're planting a small herb garden on your balcony or going all out with deep-rooted veggies in your backyard, we hope one of these picks will fit your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and product recommendations. Drop a comment below with your favorite garden bed or let us know if you have any questions. Happy gardening and see you in the next one.